The misuse of garbage bins is a continuing problem in Parañaque City College. Many students throw different kinds of waste into wrong bins or do not practice proper waste segregation. Some students leave food wrappers, plastic bottles, cups, leftover food on desks, corridors, and open spaces instead of placing them inside the garbage bins. In some areas of the campus, trash bins become overcrowded and overflow because waste is not disposed of correctly. This problem makes the school environment dirty, causes unpleasant smells, attract insects and rodents, and may lead to health concerns. A dirty campus also affects students' comfort, focus on pride in their school.
One of the main root causes of these issues is the lack of awareness and understanding about the proper waste disposal and segregation. Some students are not fully educated on the importance of separating biodegradable, non-biodegradable, and recyclable waste. Another cause is poor labeling of garbage bins, which makes it difficult for students to know where to throw their trash. And in addition, some areas of the college do not have enough garbage bins, especially in busy locations such as hallways, canteens, and outdoor spaces. Lack of consistent monitoring and weak enforcement of cleanliness rules also contribute to students becoming careless in disposing of their waste. So to address this problem, Parañaque City College should strengthen its waste management system and promote environmental responsibility among students. The school can install more garbage bins in strategic location and ensure they are color-coded and clearly labeled with words and pictures. Regular orientations, seminars, and short reminders can be conducted to educate students about proper waste segregation and its importance. Student organization and campus volunteers can lead cleanliness drives, recycling programs, and awareness campaigns. The school should also ensure the garbage bins are collected and cleaned regularly to avoid overflow and bad odor.
For the conclusion, addressing the root causes helps create a cleaner and more organized campus. Proper waste disposal reduces health risk and improves campus appearance. Cleanliness builds discipline and responsibility among students. Cooperation of students, staff, and administrators makes cleanliness a shared duty. Solving this issue improves daily campus life, and it also promotes environmentally responsible habits beyond college students at Parañaque City College.